Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Windows PowerShell in Windows 10 PC laptop. So guys, if you want to enable Windows PowerShell in Windows 10 PC laptop, it's very easy. First, click on Start. Type here turn Windows feature on or off. So click it turn feature Windows feature on or off. Now scroll down. Here option Windows PowerShell. So if you want to enable, so uncheck this first. Click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable Windows PowerShell in Windows 10 PC laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest upload. Please comment this video or follow or not. Thank you for watching.